What's going on, guys? No! My brother just threw snow at me. What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be going to the shop and getting some FIFA points, and I'm vlogging it because it is snowing. Really, really soft snow, so powdery. You can see where the car's been. Just a random spot. Look how soft this snow is. Look at this snow. Wait, drop it. Whoa!
I know I look like an idiot, but it keeps my neck warm, okay?
Guys, want to see a magic trick? Right through the net. Alright guys, so you have to like this video and I will eat this snow. You ready? Like the video in 3, 2, 1. Alright, thanks. It's like a cloud. My brother's chasing me! He's got snow! Run! He doesn't want me to film him, but he's got so much snow. Okay guys, so you're currently watching from my drone, so I've just decided to fly it in the snow. I really hope it doesn't break.